You take your smartphone everywhere. Now when paired with an inReach, it can take you anywhere and back. In this video, you'll learn how to pair the Earthmate app with your inReach using an Apple device. To use this app with your inReach, make sure you set up an inReach account and activate your device. Once your inReach has been activated and set up, search for the Earthmate app in your App Store and download it to your phone or tablet. When you open the app, log in using your inReach account credentials. After you log in, open Layer Management and select Download Maps. Center the map on the location you need maps for and tap Next. A list of available maps for the visible area will appear. Select a map type or specific map by using the arrow to the right of the map type and selecting a map name. Then go back to Map Types and download your selected maps. You will see a progress bar for your current downloads at the bottom of the map library page. If you have no changes to make, you can select Done while the maps are downloading. To manage your maps, open Layer Management again, and then open Manage Maps. Select any map types you want to appear on the main map. You can also select specific maps in each map type. To delete maps, tap Edit. Then select a map or map type and tap Delete. Select Done when you are finished making changes. Let's pair your inReach device with your smartphone so you can get the most out of your Earthmate subscription. Make sure your inReach device is within 3 meters or 10 feet of your phone. Then, on your inReach device, select Settings, Bluetooth, Pair Device, and Pair Device again. In the Earthmate app, select Options, then Pair Device. Follow the instructions in the app to finish the pairing and setup process. Now, the devices will connect automatically when turned on and within range. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this series to learn more about inReach.